I just wanna show you up, build you up. Baby, say the word and I'm pulling up. Cause I'm addicted, good to your touch. You got me lifted, can't get.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name's Aisa and I'm really glad you clicked on this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be bringing you guys a very affordable Amazon wig under $40. So if you want to see where I got this wig from, which company I got it from, and if you want to get a little review on this wig, definitely stay tuned. But before we get into the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And of course, if you want to see more videos from us on this channel, we do hair videos, makeup videos, fashion videos, and lifestyle videos. So definitely stay tuned. But yeah, I'm gonna stop talking and we're gonna get right into this wig review. So guys, before we get into the review, I just wanted to show you guys how this wig came. So it came in this cute little bag, and I like it because I can just use this bag to store my wig. And it came in this plastic bag, and on it had all the specs, and they also gave me a cap, which I'll explain more like later in the video too. And as you can see, this was the water wave in 22 inches, and the color was 430, which I absolutely love this color. But yeah, this is what the wig looks like. This is what the inside looks like. As you can see, there's no combs, but there is an elastic band to basically secure your wig. So guys, I'm going to start off. I already put my cap on. I'm not going to be using the one that they gave just because this one is really light. Like, my caps are brown because, like, obviously if you're darker skin tone, you need like darker ones. And I also added foundation to it. This, as you can see, like, it's not really close to my skin tone, so I never use the ones that they give in the pack, but it's still nice that they give it, you know. So yeah, this is what the wig looks like. I'm sure you guys saw it in the beginning, and I forgot the exact length of this. I think it was 16 inches, but it will be in the description box for sure. And I decided to get it with like these really cute highlights, which I love, and it has a bangs. So I think it's going to be great. And this was very affordable, guys. Like, when I tell you this was less than $40 on Amazon, and the quality is actually really good. Like, it's really soft. You guys are missing out. And I like that it has the, oh, actually I'm gonna go ahead and adjust the straps right away because I already know that my head is so small, so it's not gonna fit like normal people. And it's just easier for me to adjust them before. I'm going to put them on the last one because that's what I normally do. So on the closest one to the middle. Okay. So they are in the straps, and I'm about to go and put this wig on. Okay, so it's something like that. Okay, it's not bad, it's not bad. I'm gonna brush it out a little bit. Okay, don't mind, my brush has like other hairs on it because my sister uses this also. If you've seen her, I'm sure you guys have seen her red hair, but that's basically her red hair on here. So let me just get rid of that a little bit. So let me brush this out just to make it a little better. And then we're gonna go into talking about the specs. Okay, so this is the wig like straight out of the box. I feel like I don't really like the way my bangs is going that way. Let me try and play with this bangs, guys, because I don't like how it's doing that. Like, why is it doing that? I wish this side was flat too. Okay, so it's not bad. Guys, this is actually not bad. I thought this would make me look like a grandma, or I don't know, I wasn't sure because I've only had bangs once in my life, and this isn't bad. Like, the hair is so soft, and as you guys know, it's from Leeven hair on Amazon, and this was so inexpensive. Like, the hair is so soft. and this was their water wave. Like this, let me tell you guys right now, this is a synthetic wig, but it feels exactly like real hair. Like it's so soft. It reminds me a lot of my blonde bob that you guys saw. That one was really like, that one was also synthetic, and till this day I still wear it. So I've had that for at least a year, and it's good, doing good. Like you guys saw me revive it, and since I've revived it, it's doing good. It doesn't tangle that much anymore, because obviously like with synthetic wigs it's gonna tangle with a while, but I love this. Like it's just the perfect length, so it goes right under my boob. The hair is so soft, like oh my god. I feel like maybe I need to play with the bangs a little more. I'm pretty sure I can like straighten it a little bit, obviously not on like high heat, but I really like this. Like I really like, because it's different. It's like, I love the highlights because I feel like the highlights give it more dimension, and it's very soft, very natural. I love the fact that it's water wave as well, so it gives it like a bit of like some pizzazz, you know, because it's water wave. And on top of that, this wig, guys, was so inexpensive. It was less than $40, and I'm not even kidding you. Like on Amazon it was less than $40. So if you're looking for an affordable wig, this is it, definitely. I think I'll definitely be rocking this. You guys will see me rocking it. I can do an updated like wig review for you guys, but I would definitely recommend this wig. The only thing that I don't like, as you guys saw earlier, it has the straps, the adjustable straps, which I like those type of adjustable straps because I can like adjust it however to my head, and my head is really small, so it's really good to adjust. But the thing is, I don't really like the fact that there's no combs. So there's no comb attachment to it. I guess they thought that like the adjusted straps like would be enough, but usually they even give them in the pack, but I don't see anything in the pack. So that's one con that I would say, if you like, you know, to have your comb attachments inside. I only like to really have it at the back, so I can secure it at the back as well. But with this one, like there's not even one in the back, because usually wigs come with at least in the back. I can understand at the front, you know, but it doesn't. So that's a con that I don't really like, but it's okay, we'll make it work. I'll keep it tight, you know, to make sure that it doesn't slip or anything. But yeah, I really like this. I really like this. Comment down below if you guys think this color suits me, if the bang suits me, and if you guys would get this wig, because you guys should definitely get it. It's really soft, and it doesn't smell, surprisingly. Like I just took it out and it doesn't really smell bad. You know, sometimes the hair has that like hair smell or factory smell. This one doesn't. And yeah, I love that it's soft, and the waves are really like natural, really nice. And I didn't have to do too much with the bangs, you know. Obviously I could work it so that it looks a little better, but for it just coming out of the box, all I had to do was literally brush it, and it looks good. Like that's a very good like to go quick to go wig. So yeah, that's definitely something to keep in mind. So guys, this is the wig. As you guys can see, it looks really nice and really natural, so I really like that. I feel like it might be a little poofy here, but that's just because I was kind of lazy and I didn't cornrow. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if you guys want me to bring you guys more affordable Amazon wigs that you can wear on a day-to-day basis, and I could definitely do that for you guys. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to share this video with whoever you think it might help, and definitely subscribe to this channel for more videos. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. She be mine on level. She be